A business owner that gets a lot of receipts to your email inbox whenever you pay for a new subscription or you buy something and then you just lose track of everything, right? So in this video, I created an AI agent to help you document and just make sure that every receipt is documented properly in, let's say, in a Google Sheet or a CRM like Airtable. All right, so the first things first is you're going to want to do is sign up to Lindy AI. And then once you do, you want to click on create new agent, right? So new agent. So this is the workflow that we're going to be building right now. Super simple, right? So let's start here. And okay, so the first things first is that you're going to want to select the email received automation, right? So add trigger, Gmail, and then email received. So whenever an email is received, right, that contains uh, the word receipt. I hope I spelled it right. Right. So whenever you get a new email, right, because usually invoice, receipt, right, are the ones um, that you want to document, right, because you just want to keep track of what you paid for, so that you just you know your numbers, right? And then now that we have that trigger, so whenever so this is only a trigger when it sees those two words come into your inbox. Okay, so the next thing is you're gonna want to add this into, let's say you track it on Google Sheets, right, or some type of CRM maybe, right? For this example, you could either add a Google Sheet, but for this one, I'm gonna choose Airtable. Okay, so now it's ready. It's telling me what base I want to add it to. I'm just gonna just add it to my random Airtable board here. All right, and then once we have that done completed, we're just gonna add an agent. So perform an action. Oh, sorry. Enter AI agent. And now I'm going to just copy and paste my prompt here. And then all you're going to do is just add a scale to it, right? You like this, you don't have to do, right? If you just wanted to document it for you, because maybe you check Airtable a lot or Google Sheets or something, right? But like, let's say you wanted to like send you an email or you wanted to how do you call it? Send you a Telegram message. You know what? We're gonna do email. So send email. Send email. Okay. Okay. We're gonna send email here. Oops. Email. And let me know that you have documented summer shall be sent via email. Okay. I'm gonna remove that one. And I'm just gonna delete this one so that I don't get confused. Okay, so that's it. And then now it's gonna scan, right? For my test, I created a dummy email to myself that has the word receipt. Okay, so I'm just gonna pause it so that, okay, so there you go. So I selected the one that had the receipt. So there you go, right? The subject line had receipt. It's created a board, right? It added that to the board. I didn't add any information. And for some reason, it's not continuing. Maybe as well. Try again. Oh, yeah, deploy. Thing is not right here. We're gonna try again. Okay, we are trying again. Okay, so I got it. It's creating the board. There we go. Yeah, I just added the wrong step there. Okay, so now we're gonna check the email and see if it sent it. So yeah, so it worked. So if I go to my Gmail, you can see here um, I got the update that the AI agent documented the new receipt, right? You could take it a step further, right, in the prompt and tell it like, to send you a link maybe that you could track it and just see if it did it properly if you want. Um, yeah, it's just a good way to track everything because on the inbox it gets lost, all your invoices. And as a business owner, um, keeping track of those invoices and receipts is very important. So just having a system automatic to do that, right? It's a time saver. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, you can just comment down below.